The AWithZ H5 Spot Welder boasts an integrated design, combining the power supply and welder pen into one compact unit, making it ideal for both professional and amateur use. With a robust 5,000 mAh battery, this spot welder can handle welding tasks of up to 0.3 millimeters in thickness, including pure nickel. This versatile tool is perfect for creating or maintaining various battery packs, from cylindrical lithium batteries to nickel metal hydride and nickel-cadmium batteries. An intuitive OLED display enhances the user experience, offering temperature monitoring, mode selection, and safety features like automatic shutoff when overheating. Designed for effortless operation, it allows users to adjust settings with just one hand, ensuring ease of use whether you're at home or on the go. Packaged with essential accessories, the AWithZ H5 Spot Welder makes an excellent gift for DIY enthusiasts or those looking to repair and create battery packs.